Welcome back to Maxi channel, people. As usual, we got all the craziest moments ever caught on Biker's camera right here in one place. Today's episode is going to be a real banger when it comes to crazy encounters, so make sure to stay tuned all the way till the end. Without any further ado, let's dive right into it. I think this lady made it loud and clear that she didn't appreciate Biker riding directly behind her.
And ride up my ass.
And ride up my ass.
And my car crashes or you do?
Shut up, Meg.
I'm calling the cops on you.
I'm calling the cops on you.
All right.
So go around my car and stop doing dumb
All right.
Okay.
Yeah, you got it. Have a lovely day.
Now, get around my
Car.
Oh, okay, go ahead. Bye. Hey, yo.
It's your typical angry grandpa who dislikes everyone making any type of noise around his neighborhood. These two kids were just enjoying themselves on their bikes, but this guy tried to spoil their fun. Driver tried to pass the biker on the inside, and well, let's just say that he didn't sit quite well with the biker. He was furious, to say the least.
Move, lad! Playing up, move! Mate, stay there! Stay there, I'm gonna jump on the boy! I'm telling you! Lucky, bro!
This self-entitled driver thinks he can do whatever he wants on the road. He threw something out of his car and the biker almost crashed. Unfortunately for the driver, he got confronted real quick. Check it out. In this situation, the biker got really upset because this crazy driver cut right in front of him without looking. Check out the outcome of the situation.
Everybody is kung fu fighting. Your mind becomes fast as a...
Truck driver was tailgating one biker and he dangerously passed him as well. This angered his buddy and, well, the result was not that pleasing. I have no idea why this Darren got all worked up. He saw this biker do a U-turn and he totally lost it. Check out this crazy encounter.
What's up? What are you mad about? Suck my right here. Right here. Right here, man. You're mad because I was in your way? The light was green. You're mad about that? Dude, I didn't do nothing. Oh, you don't? Like I didn't have time for me. Like I didn't have time for me, but he did a U-turn.
In this situation, the bus driver stopped for the biker, but not for the cyclist. Needless to say, that made the cyclist really upset, so he turned around to have a few words with him. It would be an understatement to say that the truck driver in front of the biker did not pay attention. He cut in front of the biker without using indicators nor checking his mirrors. To make the matter even worse, he did it twice in a row. Check out how the biker reacted.
Bogule, n-ai semnal, mânca-mi-ai pula, că văd că mănânci.
Whenever you have the opportunity to do something kind and generous, don't hesitate to do it. It doesn't matter if it's a small act of kindness or something huge. Do good to others and expect good in return. This kind biker went outside on a hot sunny day and he handed out cold drinks to the ones in need.
You're welcome. Have a great day. Hello, An.
Gì đây? À,
Dạ.
cảm ơn. Cảm ơn nhiều.
In today's cold times, where everyone is only focused on themselves, videos like these are rare to find, and they are worth watching and sharing for the sake of encouraging others to go out and spread positivity and do good. videos like this one are always welcomed with open arms on our channel, and we can't stress out how important it is for everyone to watch this. The first step to getting out and making a change is the most difficult one, but it sure is worth it. This biker signaled to turn right, and he did a shoulder check as well. Unfortunately, he didn't notice that another biker was in the right lane until it was almost too close.
Ooh, that was close. Oh, let's go for it. Whee.
This van driver could have easily stayed in his lane and turned left on the roundabout, but no, he wanted to cut up the biker.
Really? What a
Driver from the oncoming lane dangerously cut right in front of the biker. He didn't even use his indicators, and to make things even worse, he didn't bother checking if anyone was on the road besides him.
Why? 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 Why?
Motorcycle theft happens all too often, especially in big cities. But a situation like this, I promise you, probably never seen before. 5 people stole one motorcycle, and they run from the cops. Unbelievable. So much for the fun ride this biker planned out for himself. A massive coolant leak almost caused him to high side.
You! Your phone! Get off your phone! Really? It's called right away for a reason.
Traffic was pretty much congested here, but that didn't bother this driver to use his phone.
NANI?
Crazy driver was impatient enough to wait for the light to turn green, and he almost took the pedestrian out. Definitely not the smartest place to cross the road, lady. We've seen it over the time that bikers get pulled over many times by the cops, but this is a rather unusual way to be pulled over a license plate. Check it out.
Well, that's it then, isn't it?
Gentlemen, it's been a privilege fighting with you.
I wouldn't be riding it over, trust me. I respect the law. I respect you guys.
Tienen que frenar, cabrón. Está mal. Le baja por acá. Está mal.
Driver noticed a biker in his mirror as he tried to filter, and unfortunately, he blocked his way purposely. Check out how the biker handled the situation. And with this clip, we conclude yet another episode on Maxi channel. Hopefully, you enjoyed this one as well. Until the next episode, ride safe and take care.